Different. I went to one country and they were offering me the food of this particular country, and mashallah, they were crazy over it. I could not even bear the smell of it. I promise you. And what should I do? Can I tell them that no, I can't? It's beautiful food. I don't want to insult a gift of Allah. They love it to pieces, but imagine being married to someone as beautiful as their deen is, as lovely as their akhlaq is. You here busy wishing for something, and the two of you do not see eye to eye on matters of daily importance. Food is a minor thing, but it's there. I'm a counselor. I can tell you we've had issues of this nature. Subhanallah. I was